Welcome to Unmasking Narcissism TV, the channel dedicated to helping you navigate the journey of healing and reclaiming love after narcissistic manipulation. Today's episode is a crucial one for anyone who has faced the challenges of rebuilding trust after narcissistic abuse. In this episode, we'll be exploring the key points of rebuilding trust in relationships after experiencing the profound effects of narcissistic manipulation. Challenges faced in trusting others after narcissistic abuse. One of the most significant challenges survivors face is the difficulty in trusting others again. The scars left by narcissistic abuse can make it hard to open up and believe in the authenticity of others. If you've been through this, know that you're not alone. Rebuilding trust is a process, and it's okay to take the time you need. Techniques for rebuilding trust in relationships. Now, let's delve into some techniques for rebuilding trust in relationships. Overcoming the fear of being vulnerable in relationships. Overcoming the fear of vulnerability is a crucial step. The narcissistic abuse might have conditioned you to associate vulnerability with weakness, but in reality, it's a strength. Embracing vulnerability allows for genuine connections to flourish. We'll discuss ways to reclaim this strength and rebuild your capacity to trust. Rebuilding trust through communication and transparency. Communication and transparency are the cornerstones of trust. We'll explore effective communication strategies that promote understanding and help rebuild trust. It's about fostering an environment where openness is celebrated, and both partners feel heard and valued. Rebuilding trust in a relationship after experiencing narcissistic manipulation requires effective communication strategies. Here are 10 strategies to promote understanding and foster trust. 1. Active listening. Practice active listening by giving your full attention to your partner. Show empathy and understanding by paraphrasing what they've said and expressing that you truly comprehend their feelings. 2. Open and honest dialogue. Foster an environment where both partners feel safe to express their thoughts and emotions openly. Encourage transparency by being honest about your feelings and experiences, promoting a culture of openness. 3. Establish boundaries. Clearly define and communicate your personal boundaries. Respect your partner's boundaries and work together to create a mutual understanding of each other's needs for a healthier relationship dynamic. 4. Use I statements. Frame your thoughts and feelings using I statements to avoid sounding accusatory. For example, say, "I feel hurt when," instead of, "you always." 5. Validate feelings. Acknowledge and validate your partner's feelings without judgment. Understanding that emotions are valid and respecting them can help rebuild trust. 6. Practice patience. Recognize that rebuilding trust takes time. Be patient with yourself and your partner as you navigate the challenges of healing and building a healthier connection. 7. Seek professional support. Consider couples therapy or individual counseling to facilitate communication. A trained therapist can provide guidance and support in rebuilding trust after narcissistic manipulation. 8. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss feelings, concerns, and the progress of your relationship. This creates a consistent platform for communication and ensures that both partners feel heard. 9. Avoid gaslighting. Be aware of gaslighting tactics and refrain from using them. Gaslighting can erode trust. Promoting honest and transparent communication helps counteract manipulative behaviors. 10. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories and positive changes in the relationship. Recognizing progress reinforces the idea that rebuilding trust is achievable and worth the effort. Remember, rebuilding trust is a gradual process, and both partners need to actively contribute to the healing journey. Patience, understanding, and effective communication are key components in creating a healthier, trusting relationship. Reclaiming love after narcissistic manipulation is a journey, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on healing and empowerment. Also visit our website www.unmaskingnarcissism.com. There you can also download a free ebook with 10 tips for recovery after narcissistic abuse. Remember, you have the strength to rebuild trust and create healthy, fulfilling relationships. Until next time, stay strong, stay resilient, and keep unmasking narcissism.